Is this what the factory of the future will look like? And what exactly do we need to make the future of manufacturing this intelligent? Martin?
Hello, Nelli.
Hello, Nelli. One answer is autonomous systems. At Siemens, we are convinced that in the future, machines will carry out more and more complex tasks autonomously without the need for lengthy programming in advance. Combined with a new form of machine intelligence, these machines will be able to perform more complex tasks independently in the future. Kai is going to show us what this looks like in detail. This machine independently performs part of the control panel assembly. The interesting thing is that the machine only gets the instruction what is to be manufactured and no longer how it is to be manufactured. This means robots no longer need to be programmed in detail. Moreover, the robot's wrists are equipped with cameras to locate the parts around them and monitor their surroundings.
In the future, technologies that are not visible right away will become increasingly important. Wolfgang, what happens when you look through these glasses?
The user is shown information on their task according to the situation and correctly positioned against the background of reality. We'll be using augmented reality as the technology for interaction concepts in the future HMI. Here you can see, for instance, how the operator can precisely and correctly attach his panel with his monitoring values to his process. That way, the user can configure the display of process values against the background of the real system.
That's impressive, Wolfgang. Augmented reality and artificial intelligence will enrich the future of automation, and it will become exciting to see how these technologies will continue to evolve.
Siemens. Ingenuity for life.